All right. We're at the Globe Financial Center in Tianjin, China. And we're gonna ride the high-speed Mitsubishi elevators. There are, I think, oh, we got this one right here. Oh, lost the focus. Love that chime. Look how nice this cab is. Let's go to 36. Here we go. I just wrote these things not too long ago. These were installed in 2011. These things are super, super fast. I think these travel like about 1,200 feet a minute. All right, it's gone to 1. Door close fun works. I love that. We're going down. Man, this is fast. Whoa, that starts so hard. I think these travel like about 1,200 to 1,400 feet per minute. These elevator cabs remind me of the one at Scotia Plaza. There are 75 stories in this building, but unfortunately, the other set of elevators, the rest of the elevators, are turnstiled off, so we cannot use them. And here we are. Let's ring the bell. Love that chime. There it goes. And that's it.